How to add Google Authenticator to Binance Exchange. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Binance app. Then tap on these three lines here in the top left corner. Then press here. Go to Security. Tap Authenticator app. Press Enable. Tap on My passkeys are not available. Now it will send a verification on our email to confirm authenticity. Open up your Gmail app. Copy that 6-digit code. Paste here and it will redirect to this page. Copy this code from here and take a screenshot of this page. Then open Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus icon. Scan that QR code and save. Then copy that 6-digit code from the Authenticator app and paste here in Binance. And two-factor authentication will be enabled in your Binance account. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.